Select all the ways the rectangle could have been rotated to get from frame 1 to frame 2. So a couple things to make note of here. Make sure that you're remembering your degrees because we're talking about 40, 90, and 140 degrees here and what that means. And make sure that you understand the difference between clockwise and counterclockwise, right? So if we're looking at a clock and the minute hand here, clockwise, because it goes around a clock this way, is rotating like that, whereas counterclockwise, it would be going the opposite of that. So it would be rotating that direction here. So clockwise, counterclockwise. Now let's make each of these changes to frame 1. So we're going to take the image here, or the shape here, and we're going to turn it or rotate it 40 degrees clockwise. Clockwise would be going this direction here, and 40 degrees is less than 90 degrees. So it would then create a rectangle that goes in this direction here, which would not look like frame 2. So we know it's not this direction here. Next, we would take our rectangle and take it 40 degrees counterclockwise, which would be going this direction here. And this one would give us a rectangle going this direction here, which looks like frame 2 here. So yes, this could be the way that the rectangle is rotated. Next, 90 degrees clockwise. Now, if we're taking something that's going from left to right here and we're rotating it 90 degrees, it's going to end up going directly up and down. So no matter if we're doing it clockwise or counterclockwise, we're still going to end up with the same image, which is not what we have in frame 2. So next we're going to take the shape in frame 1 and we're going to rotate it 140 degrees clockwise. Now remember, 140 degrees is a little bit less than 180 degrees, but more than 90 degrees. So we're taking this here and it would give us a rectangle in this orientation here, which is the same as frame 2. Whereas if we were doing it the other way around and we were taking it 140 degrees counterclockwise, it would take this here and it would go not all the way to 180, so it would give us a rectangle going this direction, which would not be the same image in frame 2. So our two correct ones is 40 degrees counterclockwise or 140 degrees clockwise.